Good stuff. Thanks for breaking that down, Chris. I'm gonna go through a few questions. If I missed yours, feel free to ask it again. Why did you go back to college, even though you had certifications?
That's a really good question. I'm glad you asked that. So when I launched my IT career, I was in and I was set, right? I had enough experience, I had enough knowledge, and I had enough projects under my belt that I could have stayed making $50,000 to $80,000 a year for the rest of my life. Now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to crack the six figures. I also wanted to position myself to go into IT management. So in order for me to go into IT management, if I don't have any friends in the industry to basically lift me up and place me in a position of leadership, I had to position myself. And what encouraged me to position myself is I was going to all these different companies as a consultant, and I noticed that there was a gap between the business people and the IT people. So I said to
Mhm.
myself, I'm going to get an MBA, right? If I have an MBA, then I know the business and I understand technology, and I can even be innovative with business processes and innovative with technology, and it's just a marriage made in heaven. And that's essentially what happened. As soon as I got my MBA, I got hired by it was a big government organization, and then after that I was there was that organization was competing for my talents with a big telecommunication company, and then this big entertainment company, if I say the name you know it, right? Disney, right? So Disney is competing for my services and brings me on. Now you say, well, Chris, you got your degree from an online university. Yeah, but when you have certifications and you combine that with a college degree, you know, an accredited college degree, it makes you very powerful. You don't necessarily need a big brand name like Harvard or Yale. You pretty much need experience, IT certifications. You add that degree in there so you can catapult yourself to levels in which you couldn't dream of. That's that breaking and cracking that six figure, Andre. So you asked
Love
me
it.
why. Crack the six figure with a degree, but get yourself an opportunity, get yourself experience, and get yourself launched with an IT certification.